I'm playing Minecraft. Hey. Alright, time to play.
Grandpa, you piece of crap, and come with me! Oh!
What do you want?
Look at all this crap in the room!
What's wrong with it?
And you have to clean it up because it's so messy!
Wait, have you been like drinking Red Bull or something?
Yes! Now go clean your room!
Well, I guess I have to clean up my stupid room. Bones, what are you doing in here?
Hi!
Get out!
Can we be friends?
Get out!
Okay.
Forgot your arm.
Come on, Arm.
I wish I had a robot that could clean up all of my stuff and do things for me. I'm gonna go make a robot! Yeah! Okay. Come on. Alright. Come on, where does the battery go in? There we go. Okay. God damn it. Alright, now all I have to do is sync it. But how am I going to reach that top button? Luckily, I have all this random crap in this room. Come on! Work! Okay, it should work now. I'm going to bring into the room. Robot on!
Up, I am on. Look at that. Isn't that impressive?
Okay, good so far. Robot, clean my room.
Would you like to buy a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Lite?
What the heck? No. Clean up my goddamn room.
You open it like that. Isn't that cool? And then you press this button and swipe, and it is on. Isn't that an awesome thing?
Okay, yeah, it's cool. Can you please clean my room?
You can download apps on it.
Wow, I never knew that.
And it is also touchscreen.
Yeah, I know. I'm not freaking retarded. Now clean up my room.
Or you can buy a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Lite charger.
Or you can clean up my room.
You can get the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Lite with the Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 Lite charger.
Just clean my room. You know what? I'm going outside.
Would you like a Samsung Smart Camcorder?
No, I don't.
Would you like a Samsung Galaxy S4?
What is your problem? I'm 5 years old. I don't even need that crap. You are a disgrace.
It comes with a charge.
I don't care about your dumb products. I care that you do all this yard work. Why? Why are you a disgrace?
Would you like a BlackBerry phone?
BlackBerry's not even cool anymore.
Then how about the new Android phone? It's brought to you by Verizon.
I know. Why are you naked?
This is
for Tommy t-shirt. You're getting more. Give me your money. I don't have money. Ow. Android, call 911. Would you like me to call the ambulance in the Samsung Galaxy S4? Just call the ambulance.
Bluebird, can you describe him to us?
Okay, so he's naked. Yeah.
Okay, that's the only information we will need. Cause that guy was in jail for like a while ago. And he's like the only one on Earth that never puts on clothes.
Really?
Yeah. But why would he try to mug a child? Bluebird, you sure you don't have to go to the hospital or anything?
No.
Okay, but I also wanted to ask you something else.
What is that?
Hello there. Nice red ball and blue ball.
That's my robot.
You made a robot?
Yeah. He's a disgrace.
Would you like a Galaxy Tab 3?
No!
You sure you want a Samsung smart camcorder?
You know what? I am done with your crap.
You have upsetted me. It is now time for Terminator mode.
Hey, what's that?
Buy the new Android phone now.
Oh God. You put lasers on that thing? You thought it would be cool?
I didn't put laser vision on. Look out! I didn't put Terminator vision on.
That doesn't matter.
He's trying to kill us.
Buy the new Android phone now.
I'm making a run for it.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Uh-oh. I got him. What are you doing? What? No. Wow!
God help me. Please.
Rest in peace.
Buy the new Android phone now.
Headshot. What do you have to say for yourself, robot?
Buy me the new Android phone. No.
Damn. Bluebird made a killing machine. Hey, Bluebird made this? Yeah. Whatever. Hey, do me a favor. Go buy me some Doritos and Mountain Dew at the store, would ya? Was this robot not ready for the world, or was the world not ready for this robot?